Hi everyone, Namaste. I am here in this session to basically highlight the AICTE efforts in keeping the students busy during this lockdown period. In fact, AICTE has launched a platform in the above. Please see the website free.aicte-india.org. Once you log into that, you will get this homepage. Fortunately, many companies came forward to give their products free of cost for those who registered till 15th May 2020. So I request please all the students, please register before this date. And it's my effort here to take you through these ELIS free courses offered by different companies in the field of information technology. Other branches I'll be covering in other sessions. So this is particularly useful for all those students who want their careers to be in information technology and all these platforms. Protein is one general platform where to fine-tune all the skills of the students in terms of the aptitude, mathematical skills, problem-solving skills, interview abilities, personality development, communication skills, internships, and this is a wonderful platform for all such things. You can just click Learn Now and it will take you through the company description, what are the requirements and all these things. Basically for all these things, the major requirement, once you have a smartphone that is essential with good internet connectivity, then StarTech Academy is another company which is giving you the diploma in machine learning with RStudio. This is also again a free online platform. Please click Learn Now and then go through all the details. Skyfi Labs is another platform which is machine learning using Python. Again, this is useful for all these courses are basically time bound and you can do it in a 1 month, 2 month or 3 month. If it is a diploma, it may run for 6 months and every day you are given a specific time. Skyfi Labs is giving another course on data analytics using R. Then IEEE is a company which is giving a certified software testing professional. Software testing domain is another important domain for apart from development. Earlier we used to have a manual testing like QTP and now you have a Selenium automatic testing. So this is functional testing. You will be trained in this at elementary, intermediate and senior target audience. This is IEEE is giving another certified Agile Scrum Associate, another platform where you can learn now. Click Learn Now, go into that and they will guide you through how to register all these things. There is another program from this company, Learning Excellence and Progression, which is again all for engineering and non-engineering. 361 Degrees Minds is giving on Big Data 101. This is also big data, all these are the latest domains. You call it as a big data analytics, data analytics, cyber security, artificial intelligence, machine learning, virtual platform, virtual reality, augmented reality. All these platforms, one is expected to be good as soon as possible the moment the moment you want to get into information technology domain. You want to have careers in information technology. You should have a tendency to have a continuous learning abilities. Then 361 Degrees Minds is giving another R programming, apart from Java programming, all this. So each one you have a Learn Now. Once you click into this, you go into that. So Grey Atom is another company. This is also a very important course, data science for beginners, Python for data science. Python is another, apart from Java, Python is another very, very, very important tool like what C used to be in earlier days. Now Python is going to take that field. So the sooner you familiarize yourself, the master yourself in Python, you will have an umpteen number of opportunities in all these advanced domains. Everything you can do it with Python. Then Hibion is another programming workbench where you can do it for C, Java, Python or C++, data structures, aptitude. Like this workbench you have, another thing is codetantra.com. Just explore codetantra.com. It's a Hyderabad-based startup doing wonderful thing, and you will see codetantra.com. Once you go without login, just press login into that platform. You will see so many students from different colleges who have logged in doing different programs. So Global Business School Online is giving the online courses on digital marketing. Then MathWorks, MATLAB company is giving on machine learning on RAMP. Then on deep learning on RAMP. Then Aspiration is another company basically on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Then Ikeda is another company. Engineering Online is another company. Integrated Educational and Learning Program is another company. GUVI is another company. Then you have a Total Skills Sigma Private Limited is giving Certified Full Stack Engineer. This is also a wonderful program. You can have a certification once you have all these certifications. So all these courses, my idea is basically to introduce all these courses which are given free for all the students during this lockdown period up to 15th May. Thanks to the initiative of AICTE, I request you all, please keep this date till 15th March, register as many courses as possible and try to be regular to all of them, and you will be a wonderful certified engineer and ready for employment. And then you will be called as a well-rounded engineer to get a career in information technology. So thank you for your attention. We will see you again for online courses for mechanical engineering and other branches. Thank you, take care, stay safe, all the best.